Today I'm going to demonstrate how the Tetra Data Platform can be used to automate bidirectional workflows. The example we're going to be looking at is receiving data from an electronic lab notebook, an ELN, and sending it to some instrument control software. We'll start with the Tetra Data Platform. We're using Signals Notebook as our electronic lab notebook here, and in between Signals and the Tetra Data Platform we have a Tetra Signals connector inside of a Tetra Hub. This provides the connectivity between Signals Notebook and the Tetra Data Platform. For our instrument control software, we're going to be using the tiamo titration control software. In between the tiamo control software and the Tetra Data Platform, we will have a Tetra file log agent providing that communication between the two. We start off with a sample list sent from Signals into the Tetra Data Platform through the Tetra Signals connector. This creates a raw file in the data lake. This raw file triggers a pipeline to send the sample sequence to the tiamo software. This creates another raw file, the sequence file, which is also transferred to the tiamo instrument control software through the Tetra file log agent. Once the instrument run has completed, they are picked up by the Tetra file log agent and brought back into the Tetra Data Platform as a raw file. The arrival of this raw file triggers a pipeline to harmonize it into Tetra Data, and then this makes the results available back into the Signals notebook. So let's see this in practice. I'm starting here in Signals notebook. I have a table which has a list of samples and some information about the samples that tiamo will need. I'm going to select a method here that corresponds to my methods that I have set up in my tiamo software, and in the Actions menu I'm going to queue the samples for titration. This launches the Tetra Signals connector, which uploads the file, and now we'll jump over to the Tetra Data Platform. We can see the file is already available. Now the arrival of this file should have kicked off some pipelines. We see here we have this pipeline in progress. It's probably completed already. Let's jump over to the tiamo software. So here I am. This is the tiamo software. I have a empty sample series. I'm going to import a list of samples into the software. And here's the file that was generated by TDP and dropped onto the PC where the instrument control software lives. I can open this. Here we can see the method that I selected in Signals Notebook. Here's our sample names and our sample IDs as they are known by Signals, and the weights that were determined earlier. Thank you for watching this demonstration today. Please get in touch with one of our team if you have any questions.